Strapi and Supabase to find out which one is best CMS. For this comparison, make sure to watch till the end and don't miss any important step. As for Strapi, it is a headless CMS designed for structured content management and API-first development. It supports multiple databases including PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and MongoDB. It is fully API-driven with built-in support for REST and GraphQL, built-in user roles and authentication features tailored for content access. As for real-time capabilities, it requires extra setup for WebSocket-based real-time updates, and according to the use, it is a developer-friendly but requires coding knowledge for setup and customization. Now let's move on the second one, that is Supabase. Let's see what it provides. It provides a backend as a service built on PostgreSQL, offering database authentication, storage, and real-time sensing all in one. It is built exclusively on PostgreSQL and provides a complete backend suite, including a PostgreSQL database, authentication file storage, and auto-generated APIs. It supports authentication, JWT, and Magic Link authentication out of the box. It has some real-time capabilities that are built-in powered by PostgreSQL's replication features. It is easy for use and is offer no-code UI for managing your backend databases and user authentication, and ideal for rapid development. If you use building a content-heavy application and need a flexible headless CMS, choose Strapi. On the other hand, if you need a scalable backend with real-time features and authentication built-in, go with Supabase. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.